Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your remote start in the newly refreshed 2024 Kia Seltos. I have in front of me here an SX all-wheel drive in Fusion Black with gentle brown interior. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the refreshed 24 Seltos remote start works very similar to the 21 to 23, and on your smart key fob here, you'll see there's that hold button on the side. So what you're gonna do is, with the vehicle off and locked, you're gonna hit the lock button at the top, and then within 4 seconds, you're gonna press and hold that hold button and keep holding it until your lights flash and the engine has now started. One indicator on the outside of this car, because it's the SX with the head-up display, it did come out of the dash. So that's one way that you would know if the remote start was successful. Otherwise, unfortunately, there are no lights that stay on the outside of the vehicle. This will run for up to 10 minutes before it turns itself off. And if you happen to do the remote start but you don't end up needing to go anywhere, you can always just press the hold button and then it will cancel the remote start, and now the vehicle has turned off. And just from experience, if you did your remote start and let's say you needed to get your kids into the back of the car, or you end up going into the trunk area for whatever you need to do after you've remote started it, when you open a door and you're busy back here doing stuff, if you have not fully turned on the rest of the electronics, the vehicle will shut itself off just for safety's sake. So if you wondered why it turned off, even though you did the remote start and now you've opened a door, that would be the reason, because everything hasn't fully turned on yet. And I'm gonna go ahead and start it again. Press and hold, just like that. So now when you go to enter the vehicle, you can either hit unlock on your key fob, or because this is the SX, I can just put my hand in the door handle, or the other trim levels will have the button on the outside of the door you can press to unlock. And then once you go to get in the car and you're inside, and again, now we have the key fob and we close the door, the rest of the electronics will turn on and now you're ready to go. So you didn't have to do anything else. Now it will remember what you last set your climate controls to. So for example, if it happens to, you know snow is coming and you want to make it nice and warm, just go ahead and crank your heat, make sure your front defroster's turned on and the fan is turned all the way up. That way it will specifically start with these settings, or however you want to with the air conditioning going, your preference on that. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.